All my individual testing kind of pointed towards this yesterday, but I like to get it all on one screen. Okay, yellow is the signal from the, so we're looking at our main power in, as well as our signal from the distributor versus our command for the coil. Okay, that's what we got here. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, no, that's our spark command. I'll just do a little tickle. You're firing there?
Yeah, because everything's cycling anyway.
Yeah. And that's without any input. So that's just on its own. Spark command without any RPM signal.